For me, it's people. Great people make a great business. The process is very important. It needs to be published and recognised. But ultimately, I think people become the process within creative operations. In terms of technology, the most important factor for me is the ease of use, and that the automation side of technology frees up creative operations people to concentrate on problem solving and the more creative aspects of that role.
In creative operations, I know that people, process, and technology are all important, but my top focus will always be people. I'm concerned about having the right people in the right roles and being able to flex up to meet the needs of the business. Because without great people who are engaged with the work, your process and your technology will never work as efficiently.
My top focus around people, process and technology within the context of creative operations has to be the people, because what I find, process is important, technology is phenomenally important, but you need to have the vision of what you're actually trying to achieve with content in the first place, and for me that comes from the people, so you have to have that in place first.
So the top focus between people, process and tech, I think I'd probably add another two in there, which would be culture and also structure. And those five then are all inextricably linked. So arguably you can't change one without it having a knock-on effect to the other. So I think all five should have equal focus.
With regard to the focus on people, process and technology, they always used to say there's only time, quality and cost. And which two of those three do you want? I never subscribe to that way of thinking. I think it always has to be those three. They're equally important, and I believe that if you have a correct process in place, that you can utilise all those things with lean ways of working. All of those things are equally important. It's exactly the same as a kind of three-legged stool. If one leg goes, stool falls over. You need all three working optimally together.